Hey, two friends. So my next project is going to be this. It is the Celica XX, and it is by Aoshima. I've never built a model from them before, so they are a Japanese brand, and I think they are on par with Tamiya, Hasegawa, and Fujimi. So, I remember this car when I was really young, and I was always cool. So this is actually, I believe, the first version of the Celica Supra, which is what is known in the United States. You know, the Celica Supra in the United States is known as the Celica XX 2800 in Japan. So this is actually a Japanese kit with depicting the Japanese version, as you can see, because you see the two side mirrors are actually at the hood as opposed to on the door. Anyway, so here's the instructions. It is in English, so you don't need to speak Japanese to be able to build it. And I'm going to photograph all this so that you can see what each of the pieces and the instructions look like. So, so this is the body. Looks nice. The lines are crisp, and I don't see or feel any much flashing. There's not a lot of there's not any of the mold release lines that is normal. But again, this is white, and it might not be clear to me until I start sanding and painting. Actually, I do see it here, right here on the bumpers. Very subtle, very subtle. So that should be very easy to take care of. Yeah, so basically, the lines are right here, and probably the same the front. So as you can see, it's not a really complicated kit. There's not a lot here. There's not a lot to it. I don't even think it comes with an engine. So yeah, this is the chassis. Yeah, it's very simplistic. You see here that there's no engine. It looks like it's probably motorized at some point because there's a battery compartment. This is the sprue for the chrome, and it's nice, soft chrome. It's not too shiny. This is actually exactly the way I would like chrome to be. So far so good. Okay, it looks like spoilers, tailpipes, other stuff I'm not exactly sure of. And I believe these pieces are the side skirt, because this kit does come with the option to have a front dam, air dam, and side skirts. So we'll see how that turns out. And I don't know what these are. I think they're just gears for the motorized part, which probably won't be used by me. So I'm not sure what this is. Seats. The cockpit. I mean, certainly the lines and the molding are very crisp. I have no complaints about that. Steering wheel, interesting. Yeah, there's not a lot to this kit at all. I mean, it's a very basic kit. Shouldn't take that long to complete. And then this is the clear parts. I'm not going to take it out yet because I'm trying to avoid scratches and dust as long as possible. The decals, yeah, they you know, it's Japanese. The license plates are in Japanese. Instrument, so nothing crazy, nothing remarkable. I don't know what this is. It's just a white. And the tires. Oh, this is nice. It looks like, if I can pick this up, it looks like aluminum license plates. Yeah, these look like they're aluminum and they're real nice touch. Tires, a lot of flash. The treads aren't that deep, but it is rubber, so that's nice. I like rubber tires on my model kits. This looks like this is the axle for the wheels. So there you have it, folks. Nothing, you know, out of the ordinary. You know, pretty simplistic. It shouldn't take me that long to build. And I'm going to make a build video so you can see how it turns out and what kind of techniques I use to get this model the way it's going to look like, hopefully. And then I'm going to include photographs of the directions as well as each sprue tree, so you can have a better look at them and see for yourself whether or not this kit is worth buying. And having said that, it's actually very difficult to get. I had to order it online from Japanese sources or eBay because this is a really old kit. It's probably like 20, 30 years old, so it's not really available anymore in the normal channels. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again.